G'day folks. So in last week I got the chance to shoot the new 25.4 grain Inferno Rex tips. Those are the ones with the orange ball in the front, if you can remember. I'll post a photo in any case, and a link to the previous video. So these are the babies we're looking at. These guys got immense explosive power when they hit a target. Today I'm stretching the legs out to 100 meters. And I'm going to check for basically consistency and obviously accuracy within these slugs. Because of the manufacturing process, my logic tells me to get that orange ball in there, you need to do something special. Now the challenge is, can you do that something special 100% of the time? I know these babies are quite accurate at 40 meters, even at 50 meters, but today I'm stretching the legs to 100. Enjoy. So this is the 40 meter target, and there is the 100 meter target. Now that's at 65 times zoom to give you guys, 104 times zoom on this camera to give you guys an indication of how far that is. And that's going to be my testing ground for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll get some more for you on YouTube. Thank you. 100 meters, 10 shots, groupings, let's go. Not too bad. Unfortunately, one slug didn't make the target. It fell way short right. Let's go for the next 10 shots. Ooh, 9 of them close enough. 10th one, I don't know where that one is. I'll have to look at the camera footage afterwards to give you guys an indication of what happened there. I still like the hitting power of these babies. At 100 meters, accurate, not too bad, but I won't go for headshots at 100 meters.
The first 10 shots had a grouping of just over 4 inches, which is not the world's best, but thinking about the hitting power of these slugs, not too bad. Thinking about the manufacturing process, not too bad. This is a specialized type slug, let's be honest about it. Let's see what the second group did. Slightly better grouping on the second time round. Unfortunately, shot 10 is missing. I couldn't see even through the scope where that one hit, but at 3.4 inches, not earth shattering. What I will use these slugs predominantly for is ratting at close range and maybe up to 50 meters max. I don't think I'm going to try headshots at 100 meters. And that's all for today. Have a fabulous day, unless you decide otherwise.
That's all, folks.